Good morning, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be doing fourth exercise of the chapter matrices. Basically, we'll deal with elementary transformation, adding, subtraction of rows, columns, dividing, multiplying, everything we'll get to know. Let's start. Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome back once more. In this video, we'll be doing exercise 3.4 of the chapter matrices. So, we are going to deal with matrices, exercise 3.4. Okay. Now, this is all about transformation. Okay. In this, we'll use elementary transformation. Elementary transformation means either doing any operation in row or in column. Okay, let's start. Question 1 says that using elementary transformation find the inverse this exercise basically has around 18 questions. Yes, so we'll try to solve out all these 18 questions. So the question says that, let me keep it over here, find the inverse. Okay, of each matrix. Okay, it's a very easy topic and it's a very important topic also. Now, what is the method actually? Let me tell you. What we do, we know what is the value of I is 1 0 0 1. You know it? Yes. So what we do, we write this matrix 1 minus 1 2 3, right? This is suppose A. Okay. Yes. So we can write in the form of A equals to IA. Can we write? Equals to I, that means 1 0 0 1 and A. Got it? Now we have to make sure this matrix changes into this form. Okay, so how will we do? See, 1 is already there, so no need to touch. Now we have to get this 2 removed, and how to get it? We have to make sure this is 0. So in R2, see, this is R1, this is R2, this is C1 and this is C2. So in R2 we are doing R2 minus 2 R1. This is R2 minus 2 R1. What will happen? This will become 1 minus 1 0 and 1. Oh, we are very close. And this side will become what? And this side will be subtract 1 0 minus 2 and 1, and A is also there. Now we have 1 and 0. Now this we are supposed to turn into 0. So what we do? Can you see this? 3 minus 2, this will be 5. Why this will be 1? Yeah. Now what we can do, R2 equals to R2 upon 5. Can we do? So that we can get rid of this 5. So 1 minus 1 0 and 1. Oh yes, we got 1. And this side it will become what? 1 minus 2 by 5 0 and 1 by 5. Why we are doing this? See, 1 0 has come and 1 has come. Now we have to only get rid of this minus 1. So let's do it over here. How to get rid of this? In R1, what we do? We can do R1 plus R2. Can we do it? So this will become 1 0 and this will come 0 and 1 equals to, and this will become, we add up 1, this 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5, this will remain like this, and this will become 1 by 5, and this will also become 1 by 5, this will remain 1 by 5 rather, into A. Got it? So what is A inverse? A inverse is 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. That's it. Got it? So ultimately this side we have to turn into I matrix. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. The next question says that this is second question, 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. We'll write in the same pattern like we did 2 1. I'll be slightly faster because now you might be feeling a bit easier. 1 0 0 1 and over here A. So what we can do? We can do operation R1. We can do R1 minus R2. Can we do? So that we get 1 over here. So this becomes 1 0 1 1. Yes. And this becomes R1 1 minus 0 is 1 0. This will be 0 1. Okay. I feel so this will be, see, R1 minus R2, this minus 1 minus 0 1 and 0 minus 1, this will be minus 1, sorry, and 0 1. Yes, now it's correct, into A. Next step, we can get rid of this 0. So R2 and R2 will write R2 minus R1. So this will be 1 0 0 1 and this side it will be 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2 and A. Okay, that's it. We get this form. So A inverse equals to 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2. That's it. Got it? Simple. Very simple. Let's go ahead with the next question. The next question is, this is third one, 1 3 2 7. We'll go ahead with the same process. 1 3 2 7 in 1 equals to 1 0 0 1 and into A. Now this 1 is already there. This 2 has to be turned into 0. So R2 we can do in R2 we can do R2 minus 2 R1. So what we'll get over here? 1 3 and 0. Yes, and 1 equals to 1 minus 2 0 1 into A. Yes. Now this has come. Now 3 we have to get rid of. So what we do? In R2, see, this is 3. In R1 we can R1 minus 3 R2. So this will be 1, this will be 0 0 1. Okay, 3 2 is 6. So this will come 7 minus 3 and this will remain like this, minus 2 and 1. So what is your answer? Answer is A inverse equals to 7 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. That's it. Simple. Got it? Let's move on with the next question. Next is question number 4. 2 3 5 7 equals to, it's the same thing. I'll not 1 0 0 1 into A. Then this 2 is there. How to get rid of this 2? Think about it. This 2, R1 we can 3 R1 minus R2. Can we do? Because 5 is there and this will become 6. So this will become 1 2 5 7. This will remain like this, and this will become, this will be 1 0 0 1. This will remain like this. Yes, because 3 if you multiply 3. So this will change. This will become 1 2. This will become 3 and this will become minus 1 because we subtract. Okay, here we go with the next step. How to go get this 0? So R2 and R2 will do R2 minus 5R1. So let's do it. This will become 1, 2, and this will become 0 minus 3. Yes, equals to this side, it will become 3 minus 1, this will become minus 15, and this will become 6. Got it? Next step, how to get rid of this 3? We divide by 3. Can we divide by 3? Let's start. So R2 we divide by 3, minus 3. If we divide by minus 3, what will happen? This will become 1, 2, 0, 1 equals to 3, 5, minus 1 and 2. Good. This was 6, so this will come minus 2. Okay. Then what is the next step? Just go through it. The next step. Now this has come 1, 2, 0 and 1. So next step is we can do R1 minus 2R2. Can we do? We'll get this 0. So this will be 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to, this will become how much? 7, minus 7 rather, and this will be 3, and this will be 5. This will remain as it, minus 2. A. So what is A inverse? Minus 7, 5, 3 and minus 2. Got it? Very simple. Let's move on. Okay. Question number 5. 2, 1, 7, 4. So we'll write equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 and into A. So this 2 is there. So what we do? R1, we do 4 R1 minus R2. Can we do? 2 4s are 8 minus 7, 1. Yes. So we get what? 1, 0, 7, 4 equals to this side. Subtract 4 and this will come minus 1, 0 and 1. A. Next step, we have to get this 7, get rid of the 7 rather. So how to do it? We'll multiply, yes, R2 minus 7 R1. Yes, can we do it? So 1, 0, 0, 4 equals to 4 minus 28 minus 1 and 8. A is also there. Now, how to get rid of this 4? Divide by 4, simple. R2 divided by 4. So, how much this will become? This will become 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 1. This is 1 equals to, divide by 4, 1, and this will become how much? We are dividing R2 by 4. So, this will remain like this. Okay. This will remain like this. This is minus 7 and 4 2s. Yes, that's it. So, what is A inverse? A inverse is 4 minus 7 minus 1 and 2. That's it. Got it? Simple. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is question number 6. Let's see what is this question. 2 5 1 3 equals to 1 0 0 1 and A. Let's solve it. First, let's get rid of this 2. So R, we can write what? R1 minus R2. Can we do? 2 minus 1 is 1, 2, 1, 3. And this will become how much? 1 minus 1, 0, 1, and into A. Next step, this 0. How to get this 0? R2 minus R1. So this will become what? 1, 2, 0, 1 equals to 1 minus 1 and 2 into A. Now we have to get rid of this 2. So R1, we can do R1 minus 2 R2. This will come 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to 3 minus 5 minus 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, got it. Very simple. So what is your answer? A inverse equals to 3 minus 5 minus 1 and 2. Got it? Simple. So this is the A inverse. Let's move on to the next question. Question 7. 3, 1 minus 4 and 2, and this side it's equals to, it will be 1, 0, 0, 1 and A. So what to do? We do in the same. How to get rid of this 3? Divide by 3. First topic, first way. Second way is like, if you R1 you subtract, we can to multiply by 2, then what will happen? 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 5. This is 5 over here. Just a minute, I wrote wrong question. This is 5 over here. 5, let me see, check. Yes, now it's correct. R1 में R1 2R1 minus R2. There's no minus over here. So this will come 1, 5, and this will come 0, 2. Got it? 2 minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. Next, we can do in R this 5 R2 में R1 minus R2 minus 5 R1. Yes, so we'll subtract. What we'll get? We'll get 1, 0, 0, 2 equals to this side 2 minus 1 minus 10 and 6. Got it? Now one thing is left, only 2. So we divide by 2. R2 divided by 2. So what we'll get? 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to 2 minus 1, and this one will be minus 5, and this will be 3. Got it? Simple. So A inverse equals to 2 minus 1 minus 5 and 3. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. The next question says that question number 8, 4, 5, 3 and 4. Will not rewrite again. Let's this 1, 0, 0, 1 and A. How to get rid of this? Just get 1 over here. This is 4, R1 minus R2 if you do. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1, 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 1. You can see minus 1 is coming. 0, 1. Now how to get rid of this 3? This is 4, 3, R2. R2 minus 3, R1. So what happens? 1, 1, 0, 1. Yes, equals to 1. This will minus 1, minus 3 and 4. Okay, next we have to get rid of this 1. So R1 minus R2 in R1. So this will come 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to, this will be 4 minus 5, this will be minus 3, and this will remain like this. Got it? Simple. what is A inverse? A inverse equals to 4 minus 5 minus 3 and 4. Simple. Got it? Question number 9. 3, 10, 2 and 7. What we do? Equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. I am doing slightly faster because same type of question. What is the point of like being slow? R1 may we can do R1 minus R2. What happens? 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2, 7 equals to 1, 0 minus 1 and 1. Yes, and A. Now, how to get rid of 2? In R2 you can do R2 minus 2 R1. Yes or no? So 1, 3, 0, 1 and this will become 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 3 into A. Got it? Now in R1, this one we have to get rid of 3 R1 minus 3 R1 R2 R1 minus 3 R2. So what happens? 1, 0, 0, 1 and this becomes what? 7 minus 10 and this remains like this and this. So A inverse is what? Very simple. 7 minus 10 minus 2 and 3. So you understood. Okay, got it? Let's move on to question number 10. 3 minus 1 minus 4 and 2 equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Same process, 3 is there and 4 is there. So what we do? In R1 we can do 3 R1 minus 2 R2 because 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. Yes. So this will be 1 minus 4 and this will be 1 2 plus 2 3 2 0 1. Correct? Because you multiply by 3 then we have to get it. So R2 plus 4 R1 will get 0 over here. How much this will come? 1 1 0 6. Oh yes, equals to, and this will come this 3, this will come 2 12 and 9. You can check these answers, though there is nothing to check in this. And now we have to get rid of 6. So divide by 6. R2 divided by 6. How much this will come? 1 0 1 1 3 2 and this will be 2 and this will be 3 by 2. Okay. Next step, we have to get the 0. So R1 minus R2. Yes. How much this will come? 1 0 0 1. Okay, equals to 1 2 2 is 4 minus 3 1 by 2 and this will be 2 and this will be 3 by 2. Okay. So what is your answer? Answer is this, A inverse. Got it? Simple. Let's move on. Question number 11. What is question number 11? 2 minus 6 1 minus 2. Same process, equals to 1 0 0 1 into A. How to get rid of this 2? This 2 is there. So in R1 we can do R1 minus R2. Simple, no? So this will be 1 minus 4 and this will be 1 minus 2 equals to 1 0. No, it will be minus 1 and over here this will be 0 and 1. Okay, into A. Next step, we have to get the 0. Very simple. In R2 we can do R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 4 0 and this will become 2 and this will become 1 minus 1, this will become minus 1 and this will become 2. Okay, equals to 0. Now we have to get rid of this 2. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So this will be 1 0 minus 4 and 1. 1 minus 1 by 2, and this is 1. Next is we have to get rid of this 4. Okay, so R1 minus 4 R2. Can we do? Instead of minus we can do plus, then it will be easier. Yes, 1 0, this will be 0 1, correct, because minus is already there. So on this side it will become 1 by 2. Yes. Okay, so R1 plus 4 R2, R1 is this plus 4, so 2 2s are gone, minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, okay, and this one will be half only, this will be this minus plus 4 into 3, and this will be 1 A. Got it? So A inverse equals to minus 1 minus half 3 and 1. Simple? Let's move on. Question number 12. Let's see. 6, 2, negative 2, minus 3 and 1. What we do? Equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, A. How to get rid of the 6? In R2, if the 6 is there, we can let it be like this. This will be useful. R2 plus 3 R1. Can we do? Then what happens? This will be 0. So what happens? All elements of second row are 0. So hence A inverse will not be there. Will not be there means it will not exist only. Got it? If in any row or any column all the elements are 0, A inverse does not exist. Okay. Let's move on to next question. Question number 13. I guess, yes. 13, I have to skip this question because there is a misprint. You can see there is a misprint in this exercise. It's not visible over here. So I am skipping this question. You can do it yourself. You can see in other book. Let's move on to question number 14. 4, 2. The pattern is same, so you can try 1, 0, 0, 1 and into A. This is question number 14. The same process. R2 minus 2 R1. Now what happens? Again, here also all elements of second row are 0. Yes. So A inverse will not exist. Got it? Such type of questions I have on a regular basis, and it's easier. Okay, let's move on. Question number 15. Now question 15 says that, oh, this is a longer question. 2, 2 and 3. This you have to take special care. Minus 3. Next is 2. Next is minus 2. And this is 3, 3, 2. Now this is there. The process is same, equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is 3 cross 3, you have to remember, into A. So you have to make sure diagonal elements are 1. So we start from here. This is I am putting a star to start from here. Okay. So how do we get over here? 1. If you add up these two and subtract 3, then in R1 plus R2 minus R3. Can we do it? So this will become what? 1. Is it becoming? Yes, 1, 2, 3. This will become 1, 2, and this will remain like this, 3 and 2. What will be this? 6 minus 2, 4. This side equals to, this side will become what? 1, 1 minus 1, rest will remain the same. Now, this one, see the first step we have got this as 1. Next step we have to get second 0, this 0. How to do it? In R2 we can do R2 minus 2 R1. Simple, we start from left hand side. Always remember 1, 1, 4, and this will come 0, 0, and this will come minus 5, and this will be what? 3. This will remain like this, 3 minus 2 and 2. This is minus 2. This side is important, so I'll take time. We subtract this. How much this will be? 1, 1 minus 2. Okay. No, it will be minus 1. Yes. And minus 2, minus 1 and 2, 0, 0 and 1 into A. Next step, how to get this 0? So in R3 we can do R3 minus 3 R1. See, we are doing from left hand side. Okay. So what happens? This comes 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 minus 5. See, I am just using a mental calculation. It's very simple. This will remain 1, 1 minus 1. You have to just use in one row. That's it. Subtract 0, 0, 1. That's it. Got it? Next is we have to get something 0 over here. Now this is 0. How to get it 1? So better you exchange these two. R2 we exchange with R3. If you exchange, what happens? Becomes easier. 1, 0, 0, because you can divide by minus 5. 1 minus 5 and 0. 4 minus 10 and minus 5. Got it? Same over here. 1, 1 minus 1. This will be 0, 0, 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 2. Got it? Simple. Once we exchange, I will keep this paper over here just to make sure we continue. Next step is, once we convert, then we can divide by 5, second one. Yes, so in R2 we divide R2 by 5. Okay. And R3 also we divide by 5. See, if you divide this by 5, we'll get rid of this 5 and this. It becomes very simple. Let's do. So what we get? We get 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and this will be 4, this will be 2, this will be 1. Simple division. 1, 3 by 5, this will be 2 by 5. Just a minute. In previous step, I suppose something went wrong. This was, oh yes, this was minus 3. And this was how much? This will subtract, this will get minus 3. This will be subtract, will get 4. Okay. This mistake, forgive for my mistake. This will be minus 3. This will be minus 3 and this will be 4. Now it's correct. I was thinking what is happening. Then leave this page. Okay, then what happens, this once this much we do, then R2 we divide by 5, R2 divided by 5, that also minus, and R3 we divide by 5, that also minus. Okay, so once we divide, what happens, 1 1 4, this will remain like this, 0 1 2, correct, 0 0 and 1. Okay, this side 1 1 minus 1, this will remain like this will be 3 by 5, this will be also 3 by 5, this will be minus 4 by 5, correct, and this will be 2 by 5, yes, this will be 1 by 5, and what was the previous step, 2, this will be also 2 by 5. Okay, got it. Now we have to get, in R2 we have to get this 0, so this minus this, so in R2 we subtract R2 minus 2R3, so we get what, 1 0 0 1 1 0 4 0 1 equals to 1 1 minus 1, and this will become minus 1 by 5, this will subtract, this will get 1 by 5, this will be 0, this will be 2 by 5, this will be 1 by 5, and this will be also 2 by 5. We divided it by minus, so it will be minus 2 by 5. Yes. Next is we have to get this 0. So in R1, can we do R1 minus R2? What we get? 1 0 0 0 1 0, and this will remain like this, 4 0 1. Yes, and this side it will become what, 6 by 5, and this subtract, this will become 4 by 5, this will be minus 1, and this will remain like this, 2 by 5, no, this is 1 by 5, this is not 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0, and this is 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. It will lot time taking. Okay, next we are left with this 4, so R1 minus 4 R2, R1 minus 4 R2. So this we apply, then what will happen? For R2 and for R3 you can do. R3 is better, yes. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Yes, got it. Oh, this side it has to. So let's write the second one first. Minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 0 and 2 by 5 1 by 5 2 by 5. Okay, what will be this minus this 6 minus 4 and this 4 multiplied, we get minus 2 by 5. Yes, and this 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, this will be 0. Yes, thank you. And this will be minus 1 minus 4 to the 8 minus 3 by 5. That's it. This is your answer. This is A inverse. Very long question comparatively. Okay. Good, but a good question. Let's move on to question number 16. 16 is 1, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 5 and 2, 5 and 0. We'll write the same 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 to A. Let's start. We start from this side, left hand side. So in R2, we can do what? R2 plus 3 R1. Yes, so it will be 0. Simple. 1, 0, 2, 3, 9, 5, and this will be how much? Minus 2, minus 11, and 0. Okay, equals to 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, and this will be 0, 0, 1. Correct? Into A. Now we have to get 3, 0. So this minus 2 into this R3, may R3 minus 2 R1. So this will become what? 1, 0, 0, 3, 9, minus 1, and this will become minus 2, minus 11 and 0. Correct? You can 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Next step. This we have done. Now how to get rid of this 9? Divide by 9. R2 में R2 divided by 9. Divide by 9. So what happens? This becomes, or you can do also one thing to get this 0 over here. R2 plus 9 R3. Yes, this can be also done. R2 plus 9 R3. Yes, no, that's correct. This will be 1, 0, 0, 3, 9, 0, minus 2, minus 11, and this will be what? Minus 2, minus 11 and 25. 9 2 is 8. 11 2 is 24. 33. 9. R2 plus 9, 4 was there. This has come 4. Yes. So R2 plus 9, 4 is 36 minus this much is how much? 25. Okay. Equals to, this will become 25. 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, and minus 3 by 5. It's getting good. Minus 15 it will become. Yeah, why will minus 15? 1 and 9. Forgive this transformation over here. We'll do fresh, continue fresh on the next page. So now we have to get rid of this 9. So why not to divide by 9? That is one option, or 25 also. Yes, this 25 we can get rid of. Let's divide by 25. R3 में R3 divided by 25. Divide it. We get 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 0, 9, 0, minus 11, 1. Okay. This side how much we get? It takes time. 1, 3, this will remain the same. 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 3 by 5, this was 1 in the previous step, this was 1 and next was 9. So this will be 1 by 25 and this will be 9 by 25. Okay, next we can do R2 plus 11 R3. Yes, together, so that this comes 0. 1 3 minus 2 0 9 0 0 0 1 equals to 1 0 0 minus 18 by 5 36 by 25 and 99 by 25, and this will come how much? Minus 3 by 5. This will remain like this, 9 by 25 and A also. Okay, next is we get rid of this 9, so R2 may R2 divided by 9. Divide it, how much this will come? 1 0 0 3 1 0 minus 2 0 1, and this side if you divide, see by 9 we can cancel these all, so 1 0 0 this will remain like this, so I'll extend minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 and 9 by 25, this will remain as it is, so this will become minus 2 by 5 and this will become 4 by 25 and 11 by 25, correct? Let me do on a new page, quite a long question. Now 1 we can do R1 plus 2 R3, so this will get 0. Okay, so this is 1 3 2 R3. Okay, so 1 3 0 0 1 0 and this will be 0 0 1, correct, equals to subtract 1 by 5 plus add up, this will be 2 by 25, this will be 18 by 25 and this will remain the same, minus 2 by 5, what was next? 4 by 25 and this was 11 by 25, this is minus 3 by 5, this is 1 by 25 and this is 9 by 25, got it? Next, now once we are done with this, what is left? Only this 3 is left. Okay, in R1 we can do R1 minus 3 R2. Let's do it. It will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I'm excited to get this answer. 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 and this will be what? Minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25 and this will be 11 by 25 and this will be minus 3 by 5 as it is, 1 by 25 and this is 9 by 25. Got it? This is A inverse. I hope so you have understood. Into A was there also there. So A inverse will be this value. This is A inverse. Easy? Long question, but it's fine. Some questions are long, longer than expected. We have one more question of the same type. I hope so you can do it yourself. Let's do it. It's time consuming. It's okay. 0 2 1 0 and this is 5 1 0 0 1 3. How many questions are there? 18 questions are there. So second last question equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. So what is the first step? We start from left hand side. Yes. So in R1 we can 3 R1 minus R2. Can we do it? 3 R1 means 6 minus 5, that is how much? 1 5 0, and this will be 0 minus 1 1 0 1, and this will be 3. This will remain as it is. This side multiply by 3, so this will be 3 over here. 3 minus 1 0, correct? 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Next step, R2 we have to do, no? R2, this 5 we have to get in. R2 minus 5 R1. So let's subtract. How much is this coming? Once we subtract, 1 minus 1 minus 3 0 6, and this will become 15. Rest will remain the same. 3 minus 1 and 0, second will change, minus 15 6 and 0, third will remain the same. Okay, next we have to get rid of this. Okay, 0, this 0. So what happens? We will multiply R3 में 6 R3 minus R2. Can we do it? Yeah, this becomes easy. Once first will remain like same, it's easier, just copy them. So this 0 6 and 15, only the third one you need to, R3, so this will be 0 0 3 equals to, and same over here, first two will remain the same, 3 minus 1 0 minus 15 6 0, and this will change. What will become this? 15 this will become, and this will become 15. This is not 15 exactly, minus 15, because no, it will be plus 15. This will be minus 6, and this will be 6. Okay, let's move on. Next step, now we have got this 0, now we have to get rid of the 6. So R2, in R2 what we'll do? R2 divided by 6. See, I'm going to this step, this 6 we are doing it. I'm keeping it over here. R2 divided by 6. Or you do one thing, R3 you can divide by 3. So we'll get this as 1. It will be easier. Yeah, this will get 1. So let's do R3 divided by 3. So what we get? This is also an option. Yes. So what we get over here? So first 3. 3 may R3 divided by 3. So we get 1 minus 1. This will remain like this, where it is. Minus 3, 0, 6 and 15. You should hurry up in copying these all, but rest 0, 0, this will become 1. Only this step has been added. Same over here, 3 minus 1, 0, minus 15, 6 and 0. And over here, if you divide by 3, what happens? It will become 3, 5s. This will be 5s, and 3 minus 2s, and 2. Okay. Now this much we have got. Now we have to get rid of this 2. R2 minus 15 R3, this one. So what happens over here? This will remain 1 minus 1 minus 3. Well, let's write this side also the same, 3 minus 1 0, to make it easier, and this I'm making it bigger. And once we subtract, this last one also will remain the same, so that our focus is only on one step. This will become 0, 6, and this will become, so if you are subtracting, it will become 0. Yes, this will become minus 90, 15 6 is minus 90, and this 15, this and this minus 90, 36, and this will become 30. 15 2s are 30. Okay. Now we again have to get rid of the 6. R2 divided by 6. Divide by 6. 1 minus 1 minus 3. 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Only second step you need to. Rest A is also there. So the rest of the steps you write in a hurry. There is no point of putting a lot of brain in that. So this will be divided by 6. So minus 15 and 6, and this will be 5. Correct? Let's move on to the next step. Now we have to get rid of R1. R1, the step is there, no? So in R1 we can do R1 plus 3 R3. So what will happen? This will get 0. 1 minus 1 0. See, this I am talking about. This will get 0. See, it's rest will write as it is, no problem. 0 0 1 equals to, now only the first step you have to be concerned. See, this was there, so this became 18 and this became minus 7, this becomes 6. Rest will remain the same. Minus 15, 6, 5 minus 2 and 2, okay, into A. Next step is, oh, this minus 1, what is this doing over here? Yes, so R1, R2 plus R1 we can do. So what happens? 1 0 0, oh yes, 0 1 0. This side you have to take, let me write this over here. We are doing R1, so R2 will remain the same, R3 will remain the same. Now R2 plus R1, if you add up, this becomes 3. Yeah. This becomes minus 1. And this becomes 11. Yes. Just a minute, this was minus 5, okay, I missed out this minus over here. We can also do correction over here, minus, because R2 0 minus 30 will be minus, okay, this will be minus 30, okay, so this will be minus 5, so 6 plus minus 5, this will be 1, okay. So what is A inverse? A inverse is 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, 5 and 5 minus 2, 2. That's it. This is your answer. Got it? Let's, oh my God, we got to the last one of the chapter. That is matrices A and B will be inverse if, when AB equals to BA, B option, AB equals to BA equals 0, third option, AB equals 0 and BA equals to 0, BA equals to I, they have given, yeah, and D option, AB, BA equals to I. Now, the first option is AB equals to BA, second option is AB equals to BA equals to this. Now, inverses only exist if this condition is true. You must be knowing that we did in the first. Why? Because A inverse equals to I, we used to do. So that means AB equals to BA equals to I. Option D is correct. Got it? So that's all we have in this video. We'll get back together in the next. We have done all 18 questions. So we'll meet again with the miscellaneous exercise. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. So we are through with this elementary transformation. I hope so everyone has understood and you will practice more. We'll meet again with miscellaneous exercise. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Best wishes. Take care.